Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We hope you are doing well and thank you so much for joining us. Today guys, we are in Ngong Hills in Kenya and we're gonna be showing you the exterior of this beautiful double-story home with the exquisitely designed exterior design courtesy of the 47 Investment Company. The 47 Investment Company is a construction company in Nairobi, Kenya that offers construction solutions at an affordable rate. They specialize in the design and building of both residential and commercial real estate properties. We would encourage you to reach out to them for your next construction project and you won't be disappointed. To support this channel, please remember to like this video, to share it out with your family and friends. We would also like to hear from you at the comment section whether you would like to tour the inside of this home. If you are not subscribed to this channel, we would also request you to consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. Please remember to check out the 47 Investment Company, to like, to share, and to leave us a comment and subscribe. Join us in the next video as we tour the interior of this house. Until then, be kind to the people around you. Have a great day and cheers.